is for alligator jumping all day. B is for bear who loves to play. C is for cat purring in the sun. D is for dog always on the run. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who hops away. G is for giraffe so tall and neat. H is for hippo with big flat feet. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, watch him go. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging from trees. N is for newt, crawling with ease. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling right. Q is for quail with a funny call. R is for rabbit so soft and small. S is for snake, slithering past. T is for tiger, strong and fast. U is for urial, a wild sheep's name. V is for vulture in the scavenger game. W is for whale who swims in the sea. X is for X-ray, fish bright as can be. Y is for yak with furry hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to spare.